Fields which block pasting. Some websites prevent you from pasting into password fields. This one, for example, does allow me to paste into the password field, but then blocks me from pasting into the confirm password field. To get round the problem, edit the quip and type the word key in brackets before the password. When you click on this quip, then instead of pasting Space Cowboy, Spartan will simulate typing Space Cowboy through the keyboard. The password now appears in the field. Similarly, had you created a logon set for Sports Direct, you can have your password sent via the keyboard by selecting this option. Again, your password is sent to the field via the keyboard buffer. Quips which control cursor movement. You can use key quips to send any of the directional keys plus function keys individually or in conjunction with Ctrl, Shift or Alt. Sending the right arrow 3 times. Sending the down key 3 times. Sending the home key. Sending Ctrl plus home. Self-splitting quips. This is a typical logon screen. Note that moving from the username to the password field requires the Tab key, and that moving from the password field to the login button requires the Tab key twice. In this quip, I have key my username, key tab, key my password, key tab times 2, and key enter. I want to convert this single quip to one which will split into 5 individual key quips. To do so, I pull down the Format menu and click Create or Modify Self-Splitting Quip. I tell Spartan that the quips are separated by semicolons and to use my key quips as the split method. Spartan adds the self-splitting code, and I now have a quip which will fully automate logging onto this website. Restoring Spartan. Clicking the quip.